Good afternoon. My name is Clarence. Here's another video. This evening is about the hands-free liftgate on a 2015, 2016, 17, 18, and so on for General Motors. The Denalis, the Cadillacs, the Yukons, the Tahoes, all those vehicles, pretty much all of them have the hands-free liftgate to assist you, just in case you have your hands free and you need to raise the tailgate or the back end of it. Now, I'm gonna show you one thing that you can use to bypass it if you don't want to use it at any time. So we're gonna walk up here to the inside of the vehicle. Now, let's see. Right here is the control for it. It's got max, it's got 3/4, and it's got off. If you don't want to ever use it, just switch it to the off position. If you want to use it, switch it to the 3/4 lift or the max lift. Right now, mine is set on the max lift, and we're gonna take it from there and see what happens. Okay, I'm back. Here's the hatch, and let me tell you a couple of things about it before we actually get into it. You have to have the key fob in your pocket, and it's got to be within 3 to 4 feet of the hatch in order for the hands-free liftgate to work. Down at the bottom, right here where my foot is at, is where the sensor is at, but I have not put my foot underneath the vehicle. Once you sweep your feet underneath the vehicle, within maybe a foot or 2 foot of the sensor, and if you got the key fob close to you, within 2 to 3 feet of the hatch, it's going to raise. Watch this. Here's the demo. Here's my feet. No need to sweep your feet. You just put your feet towards the center of the hatch, and it raises. For whatever reason, when I go to close it, on this particular model, it's right here again, and I got my feet there, and it's not picking it up. Some vehicles that are closed, some won't. Here's the release button for it right here to close it, and you hit that, and it closes. You know it's coming down because you get the amber lights to let you know it's either coming up or coming down. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the hands-free liftgate on the 2015, 2016, 17, 18, so on most of the General Motors SUVs. If you have any questions, hit me up on my page. You can ask a question. You can go with the thumbs up or you can go with the thumbs down. Like I tell you on all the other videos, I learn more from the thumbs down than I do the up. If I get a thumbs down, I'm gonna make the adjustments, and I'm gonna take it from there and see what happens. Other than that, peace. I'm Clarence, and we'll see you on the other side.